Hi, good evening. It's Heather Collier here, and I just wanted to do a series of videos for you tonight. It's a Saturday night, and I'm working at the office late, and I figured, well, it's been a while since I've been online and done videos, and I really wanted to update some of my clients on some matters and that type of thing, so figured I would update the rest of the world as well by doing a video series. And the topic of this video is, what documents do you need to transfer property in the state of Alabama, or real estate in the state of Alabama? And basically what you need to do is, if somebody has recently purchased your property or purchased your lot and all of that part is taken care of, then to legally get the property or the lot in their name, what you need to do is you need to file either a warranty deed or a quitclaim deed, depending on the circumstances, warranting that there is good title to the best of your knowledge, and also going over all the conveyances that go along with the property or the lot. All the restrictions should be in there, and the legal, this is so important, the legal description of the property. This is because if the legal description is not the same that it has always has been recorded for years and years and years and years and years in the history of the probate court, then if there's any changes to it, that can mess up the title and other issues, and cause other issues for the new owner that they really don't need, and they really don't have time for. And it can be very costly to go back and fix those issues. Now, if you're just purchasing the property, I do recommend that you get a survey done on the property if it's been a long period of time since one was last done, and if there's any issues with any property boundaries or any lines or any possible disputes and that type of thing that may arise, especially if you're buying acreage. This is strongly advised that you get a recent survey done and make sure that everybody's on the same page as far as which portion of the property will be yours, and make sure that it's properly flagged and that you're aware of everything. Also, check and make sure that the property that you're buying, that you're allowed to use it for your intended use, especially when you're buying acreage. A lot of people want to buy acreage that is unzoned so that they can do whatever they want with it. And I strongly agree that that should be allowed, but you need to make sure that you're buying property that allows for that. And one way to do that is to check the prior deed that was in place, and also, have at closing, make sure prior to closing that a title commitment binder has been done, a title search has been done, and everything to make sure that you're on the same page. Now, if it's just, a basic piece of property or land and no agents were involved or anything like that, then oftentimes all you need is a deed to transfer the property, especially if you're, maybe giving it to a family member or that type of thing. But you need to make sure, I think it's very important in this case, to have an attorney look over it, make sure that it's done properly, and for an attorney to draft it in case there are any issues that may arise. If you have any questions or anything, you can feel free to call me. You can reach me at 251-943-4870. And you can also visit my website at www.collier, COLLIER, LawLawLLC.com, or you can visit, it's the same website, it's just a shorter address, HDDClaw.com. And it'll take you to the exact same page. If you have any questions or anything, I encourage that you call me or you leave your questions or comments below, and I will get to them in the order that they are received. And also, as required by the Alabama State Bar. No representation is made that the quality of legal services to be performed is greater than the quality of legal services performed by other lawyers, and this is not construed to be legal advice, as we do not have an attorney-client relationship in effect. But, if you'd like to call me and become my client, then by all means, do so. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.